is as serious about safety as we are about the productivity and performance in the line of commercial mowing equipment we build. This operator safety training material takes you on a tour of the safety features and operational characteristics of our commercial floating deck walk-behinds. Our focus in this module is on hydro drive models equipped with the T2 T-bar operator controls. Toro's advanced split T-bar steering controls reduce operator fatigue and increase productivity. Become familiar with all controls before starting the engine and operating the machine. Then, practice operating the mower in a level, open area until you're thoroughly comfortable with the steering and operational characteristics of the equipment. The throttle control, located on the control panel, is used to control the engine speed. For best results, place the throttle control in the fast position when mowing. The blade control switch, or PTO, works in conjunction with the right side motion control lever to engage and disengage the mower blades. To engage the blade control, the right side motion control lever must be moved to the center unlocked position. This is the parking brake. To engage or set the brake, pull the parking brake lever backward. To release, push the parking brake lever forward. Always set the parking brake and remove the ignition key when you stop the mower or leave it unattended. The motion control levers control wheel traction. The neutral lock position works in conjunction with the safety interlock system to engage and disengage the mower blades and to set the hydro drive to neutral. Pushing the motion control levers forward to the center neutral position causes the mower to move in a forward direction. Pulling the motion control levers rearward from the neutral position will cause the mower to travel in reverse. Independently moving each motion control lever from the center neutral position will cause the mower to turn in the direction corresponding to which motion control lever is moved. The fuel shutoff valve is located here, under the fuel tank. Close the fuel shutoff valve when storing or transporting the machine. Other controls include the choke, located here. Use it to start a cold engine. The ignition switch is used to start the mower engine and has 3 positions: start, run, and off. To start the engine, be sure the mower is on level ground and the spark plug wires are connected. Open the fuel valve and pull the parking brake lever to set the brake. Move the throttle control to the fast position, and if the engine is cold, adjust the choke as necessary, moving it to the on position. Generally, a warm engine doesn't require choking. To start a warm engine, set the throttle control to the fast position. Turn the ignition key to the start position to engage the starter. When the engine starts, release the key. Move the throttle control between the fast and slow positions and allow the engine to warm up before returning the throttle to fast for mowing. For cold starts, once the engine is running, move the choke lever to the off position. Remember when mowing, always make sure the throttle control is set to the fast position. To stop the engine, move the motion control levers to neutral. Move the right side motion control lever into the neutral lock position. and disengage the blade control switch. Move the throttle control to slow. If an engine has been working hard or is hot, letting it idle for a minute before stopping helps cool the engine. Turn the ignition key to off to stop the engine. Set the parking brake when you leave the mower, and remove the ignition key. To prevent fuel leakage, remember to always close the fuel shutoff valve before transporting or storing the machine. Always store the machine with the spark plug wires disconnected. The blade control switch engages the electric clutch to drive the mower blades with the right side motion control lever in the center unlocked position. Move the right side motion control lever to the center position. Pull the blade control switch up to engage the blades. Two methods are used to disengage the blades. Push the blade control switch, or PTO, down, or move both motion control levers to neutral and release the right side motion control lever, allowing it to return to the neutral lock position. One of the most critical safety features on any Toro mower is the safety interlock system. It mechanically verifies that an operator is present and controlling the machine. The interlock system either disables the engine or disengages the mower blades if all components are not working together properly under the operator's control. Never tamper with the interlock switches. Check their operation on a daily basis, and never operate the machine if the interlock system is not functioning properly. The safety interlock system is designed to prevent the mower blades from rotating unless the right side motion control lever is moved to the center unlocked position and the blade control switch is pulled on. The interlock system will stop the mower blades if the right side motion control lever is moved or released into the neutral lock position. Test the interlock system each time before using the mower. To test, start the engine using the procedure discussed earlier and set the parking brake. Move the right side motion control lever to the center unlocked position. The mower blades should not rotate. Move the motion control levers forward. The engine should kill. With the engine off, move the motion control levers to the full forward position and release. The levers should spring back into the neutral lock position. Next, move the motion control levers to the full reverse position and release. Again, the levers should spring back into the neutral lock position. Start the engine again and release the parking brake. Move the right side motion control lever to the center unlocked position and continue holding it there. Pull up on the blade control switch and release. The clutch should engage and the mower blades should begin to rotate. Move or release the right side motion control lever into the neutral lock position. The blades should stop rotating. Again, move the right side motion control lever to the center unlocked position and continue holding it there. Pull up on the blade control switch once again and release. The blades should rotate. Push the blade control switch down to the off position. The blades should stop rotating. Finally, with the engine running and the right side motion control lever up in the neutral lock position, pull up on the blade control switch. The mower blades should not rotate. If the interlock system fails to operate properly, do not operate the mower. Have an authorized service dealer repair the safety system immediately. The throttle control regulates the engine speed. For best performance, the mower should be run with the throttle control in the fast position. To move the mower forward, release the parking brake and move the right side motion control lever to the center unlocked position. Slowly push the motion control levers forward. Note that the engine will kill as part of the operator presence control safety feature if the motion control levers are moved from the neutral position with the parking brake engaged. To travel in a straight line, apply equal pressure to both motion control levers. To stop the mower's travel, push the motion control levers to the neutral position. To move the mower in reverse, slowly pull the motion control levers backward toward you. To turn, move the motion control lever toward neutral on the side corresponding to the direction you wish to turn. Always set the parking brake and remove the ignition key when leaving the machine unattended, even for just a few minutes. Wait for all moving parts to come to a stop before leaving the operator's position. The bypass valves allow the machine to be pushed by hand without the engine running. Set the parking brake. Open the bypass valves on both pumps by rotating them counterclockwise between 1 and 2 full turns. This allows the hydraulic fluid to bypass the pumps and allows the wheels to turn freely while pushing. Don't turn the bypass valves more than 2 turns, or you risk having the valve come out of the body, causing fluid to drain from the housing. Release the brake. Push the machine to the desired location and reset the parking brake. Always push the machine by hand. Towing the machine can cause severe damage to the hydraulic system. When closing the bypass valves, be careful not to over-tighten. Never start or operate the machine with the bypass valves open. Damage to the system can occur. This mower has a hinged, flexible discharge chute that directs clippings down and to the side of the mowing deck. Without the discharge chute, a discharge cover, or a complete collection assembly properly mounted in place, you and others are exposed to both blade contact and thrown debris. This is an extreme danger. Never operate the machine without the discharge chute mounted and in proper working order. If the deflector is ever damaged, replace it immediately. Check if your machine has the grass deflector spring installed correctly. The grass deflector needs to have downward tension. Never put your hands or feet under the mower. Turn the ignition key to off. Remove the key and disconnect both spark plug wires before doing any work around the deflector, blades, or underside of the cutting deck. Use only a heavy-duty trailer or truck to transport the machine. To transport, lock the brakes and fasten the mower securely to the trailer or truck with heavy-duty straps, chains, cable, or ropes. Always secure the trailer to the towing vehicle with safety chains. Toro cares about operator safety. Stay alert, follow all instructions, and use common sense. Your Toro mower will give you years of trouble-free service. Thanks for watching.